Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep implement our project Small Tasker. Okay, so this is where we at. We have this employer dashboard set up. So in here, we're gonna implement failed, revise, and submitted status. So in here, we're just gonna say onClick equals window dot location. We could just say with location. Dot sign. What we're going to do is we're going to redirect them to employer or submission. Okay, submission dot ID slash approve or failed, and that's essentially going to fail this thing, their submission, and well, they cannot get any money, of course. Okay, so let's go ahead and implement that. Let's go to views. Here we can say employer submission failed request, and we'll have the submission ID. So in here, oh right, also I want to say I have something called GitHub Copilot set up, so it's actually I think kind of autocomplete stuff for me, so I kind of like that. Okay, so yeah, we got a submission. And then what we want to do is we can say, and then here we can just say submission. Oh, I like it. The status equals failed. Wow. Okay. Ooh, this autocomplete is actually pretty good. So we set the status to failed. All right. Now I'm gonna say revise. I'm gonna set the status to revise, and I'm gonna say success. Okay. So then it's going to be a little bit complex because it's going to involve with some PayPal amount adjustment. So in here we're going to say, let's say UF equals user fund. Rather than submission.user, I just say worker fund, right? Submission.user, and let's say employer fund. Fund.objects.get user equals it's submission submission.job.user. Okay, perfect. All right, so get that set up. So then here essentially what we're going to do, that's not what are we going to do. And here we're gonna get the price for this job too. Well, it's gonna be submission.job. Let me know if you like this GitHub Copilot auto suggestion. If you don't really like it, don't really need to have it installed. I mean, it's make my life more easier. It can also guess what I want to do. See, it's pretty fast. All right, perfect. I like you GitHub Copilot as of now, I guess. Okay. All right, perfect. Okay, so now let's do this. Notice that you have disabled now. All right, so now let's try and let's actually add them to pass slash right? It's guessing the word revise. There we go. Failed revise. Okay. So now let me have another incognito tab open. I'm gonna go to this website again. Alright. Alright, and this is Taskers? I literally just reset the password. I forgot it already. Finally, okay. So I'm gonna open up. Right, okay. So I need a navbar slash tasks. All right. Status is pending. So let me go ahead and success. All right. All right. Let's mark as submitted. Success. Success. Okay. So then in here, I want to take a look at the PayPal. I think, because that's where the amount that we have. PayPal / deposit. How can I see the fund? So withdraw actually. I think withdraw. Let me figure spell withdraw correctly. Oh, $4.00. Right, okay. Right, okay, so I'm not sure how we add this job in. Okay. So technically if I click on it, right now we'll just keep adding money. So right now I'm just checking if money does in the update or not. If marked with success or failed, then status can no longer be changed anymore. It's actually what's actually oh right, I am the employer and the worker at the same time. Okay, right, so I cannot do that. /auth/register. Let's register a new account instead. Oh my god, I hate this IP address thing. I really need an IP override or something. Anyhow. Let's do gmail.com. Alright, password. Alright. Okay. Now let's log in. Okay. Perfect. So right now let's go to PayPal/withdraw. User fund doesn't exist. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we can also fix this bug where we were at it. Where is it? It's when I access a withdraw. Okay, I'll try. Except user fund does not exist. What do I want? Ah, perfect. Unbound loco. Okay. Do that. All right. Let me refresh the page again. Oh, what's wrong with this? Fine. Okay, I can withdraw. Yep, 0, 0, 0. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go here. Let's click on Google. All right, use Google. So in here, you could just say, well, that's what I did. I click on submit. All right, perfect. So now if I refresh the page, all right. So now I have these set up. All right. So this should be it, the newest one. All right. So now let's go to slash PayPal slash withdraw. I also want to go there. All right. So let's go mark this as submitted. All right, let's go ahead and refresh the page. Perfect. We see $1. Refresh the page again. We should see $2 here. $2. Perfect. All right. So that's that. Now, okay. So essentially, what's it being if it's success? So if it's success or it's failed, then they cannot change the status anymore. So here we can say if submission the status equals success or submission the status equals failed, then I want to say return HTTP response. You can't modify the status anymore. Alright, so let's go submissions here. Alright, and here we'll say if submission status equals success or submission to status equals failed, do something else, want to do something, and then don't forget about the and here. Alrighty. Copy paste. Alright, so let's see. Then if it's then we're gonna disable. If it's either one of these status, then they cannot really change it anymore. I mean, I think it does make sense, so I cannot change it. Yeah, like that. Good. Good, good, good. Alright, let's... Alright, submission status. Alright. So what do I want to do? Alright, so let's try to create a new job. Okay, so let's go to URLs, take a look how I can create a new job. It's gonna be slash post on post dash job. Okay. All right. Okay. Yet another. My God, yeah. Random task. Type whatever you want. 5, quantity 1. All right. All right. So yeah, another random task. Okay, so let's go and complete this. But this time what I will do is I will mark this as, for example, okay, that's what I did here. Alright, so now if I go to employer dashboard, okay, so let's go ahead and do this. I think here mark this as revise. Alright, revise. So now if I go to, what's that? Tasks. Alright, so now because it said revised, if it says revise, then here's what we'll do. We'll prompt them back again and to modify their submission. So in here, cancel employer review submission, view task. Okay, so let me think about the logic here. If submission has the status equals revise, then I want to render this task. And with your submission object, submissions S. Okay. All right. So, and then slash task 2. Okay. Tell whatever you want. All right, perfect. Now unlocked for me now. And in here I could go to task. And in here I can say that's not what I would do here. Alright, so here we're gonna say if the status equals to what pen revise. And here we'll say your previous submission. Because it's submission dot proof. Alright, let's refresh the page.